At Finite State, we test a whole host of devices across as many industries as you can imagine. uh, IoT type of devices that is in the home consumers. You're talking your cameras, your routers, your connected light switches and bulbs. All of that consumer type of product. And then we even go all the way up to the stuff that you'd really expect to be secure, the things that are going into our critical infrastructure, ICS, OT. Type of things. We definitely run the wide gamut of the things that we can test, and arguably nothing should be out of scope. We very much, when we think about the methodology that we go into to give our customers the best value, we'd love to jump right in and say, everything is in scope. If your product uses a mobile app and cloud, you this is now an ecosystem. You have just more than the device, and ideally, you test everything in the ecosystem. Certainly some things are going to have more of a priority. And we absolutely work with our customers to make sure we are hitting the high priority items first, and or just those priority items. I think the biggest one that is a challenge for everyone is testing cellular connectivity because of the licensing requirements, and around the licensing spectrum and the legalities in many places on the planet for us to deal with that. So the one that becomes difficult, and for lots of places, unless they have some very specialist type of stuff, is around specifically the cellular connectivity. But all the other wireless stuff is on the table.